Hey, how you doing? It's your boy Woo Pips, aka Woo Crypto, aka that kid with the string on his glasses, doing it big once again. I know it's been a minute, but I dropped mad videos. I dropped a lot of videos, about us just chasing these numbers and these lines, that simple mathematic technical thing that we do. Catch pips, if you need pips, come see me. If you want to increase your trading experience and skills, come see me. Come check out the channel. We talking about pips all day, every day of the week. I'm back at it. I know I took a little pause. A lot of things were happening. I'm human. I go through normal things like any other human. Death isn't the easiest thing to process in your life, but we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about some coins. But let me I'm here to let y'all know we're back at it. I see Ripple down to 50 cents, shot right up 8% not too long ago. Everything's still in the negatives, but that's cryptocurrency. Volatility, volatile, and in the last 24 hours, we go up, we go down. We go up, we go down. Coin market cap is still good, we still have XRP in our top 10. We still have Bitcoin. We still have Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano. All of these. Oh, I wish I can buy some Cardano soon. Hopefully, I'm going to get back onto buying some more different variation of coins. Get that on with you guys. Tron, Neo. Oh, I can't wait. I'm just going to just hoard. I'm just going to start hoarding more coins. I hope you're hoarding coins. And, we can talk about coins in the future because I love intangible coins. I hope you love intangible coins. Tangible coins are coins you can't touch, smell, or see, but it is what it is. So before we get into oh, we have it here set up. We're gonna go talk about more about these intangible circulating supply of Bitcoin. We have over 17 million circulating supply. Wow. We have 39 billion coins in circulation, but it is all good. All good. Woo! Let's go into some charting. We're gonna break down Btcusd. Enough of the coin market cap for the day. But besides that, I just need y'all to follow with me. I'm gonna be giving signals. Hopefully, the last signal I gave that was off a weekly, so you could have held that for weeks. We're gonna go zoom out, check the daily setup because cryptocurrency we're not really into the ooh. Oh, I hope y'all are ready. Oh, look at that. You see, this was a weekly setup. This setup right here was based off a weekly parameter, which means it's still been holding up. It's yes, the negative 120 has been hit. I'm not gonna lie to you, it has been hit. But as you can see, that was the maximum I was willing to risk on this trade. But that should have also been my entry. Look at that. It respected that technical. What do I mean technical? That's support. This big old zone. This yellow box, this zone is really my stop loss. Anything in here is really where I'm looking to either enter or looking to either not only enter, but wow, we have a nice little triangle here. We're gonna get into this little tacky real quick because I see a lot of market structure, but this signal that I sent weeks ago is still, it went through some massive drawdown. I'm not gonna tell you that, like if you bought way back here when I told y'all when I first, um, yeah, because I entered somewhere around that 6.5 level, and then I was writing it out, but then I stacked some orders, over leverage, and then boom, kaboom, accounts go kaboom when you over leverage. Risk management, I do not teach risk management. That's something that you do on your own terms. That's why I say these signals are free, and because I say these signals are free, I don't know your levels, your skill levels of how you risk, what lot sizes you use in that terms of how you want to obtain your pips. I'm just giving pips setups away, and the rest is all on you. But yes, I still even like this setup that I just saw on the daily, a nice triangle. We're going to come here and we're going to make triangles. We're going to make triangles with black lines and red lines, and we're going to get this popping because I see a trend line opportunity right here where we saw, hold on, that went into my zone. But we're going to get this fixed, but I really like this setup. Oh, this is going to be a random line, of course. Um, Boom. I'm gonna change this to black because I don't like that orange look. Orange is for like random tread lines. Yellow, that's how I kind of have my setup going on here. Boom, boom. Now we working with some. Working with some. Boom. You see that? Anything under that trend line is looking for a nice potential. I really wanted to get at that wick, but the way my chart is set up. Alright, boom. Alright, nice. Let's go into the weekly because that's what I gave the signal of this bat pattern on the weekly. As you can see, support has been holding up on that bottom. Still right here, this is that tested area. This area has been tested. Boom, it's been testing it. 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests. That wick was that exhaustion of sellers, so the buyers are looking for that opportunity back in. Once this trend line gets broken, we can say our projection is here. So based off our signal, the new signal that is, I'm dropping you this new one. Boom, around that 78.6 close. If we can get a close above that 78.6, we're gonna be looking super spiffy because we have a long potential setup right here. Alright, boom, and then it's about the same. Risk management's not the same, but it's gonna take some time for this to play out, and I believe it will play out. It can happen faster than we think, but you know, along the way, we're gonna look for setups. So we're gonna look for some upside because right here is these red lines are key levels. Key levels on the weekly. The brown line is, I'm pretty sure, the monthly. But right here, we're by a really strong key level, and a lot of people would say based off this support, I mean this resistance right here, but we have this nice support down here. This is why I said this triangle, we're gonna see some more projection on this side once it breaks over. I believe it's breaking over, and this is why it's the signal. I believe we have some upside motion that is being built up from this bottom motion over here. And if we take this signal and we slide it over, we're still in profit, and that was weeks ago. So if you're still holding that and you have really good risk management, just hold your trade. It's going to pay out in the long run. And then as your trade progresses, you can stack your orders. So when we find possible next entries, which is where, you know, a lot of my technical comes in within the signal, because this is how I continue to do the follow-ups within the signal. On the hour, I want to take out this fibs. Let's go find out where this Fibonacci is. We're going to get rid of that fib. I really don't understand how we have two types of fibs. Really going on from right here. Let's take this out. Delete. Alright, so this is more of the swing where we saw a lot of our progress. This is where we're getting a lot of our projections, our newer projections, I should say. This is why I said let's adjust our Fibonacci. Some people are claiming that as a counter trend, but when market structure is still being supported, right there, I'm gonna zoom in so I can better adjust this. BTCUSD is a pair I just, you know, give signals on. My crypto pair, like I love BTCUSD. Like no one can tell me nothing about her. I spent my time. I've been really doing my own chart time, so like that's why I really appreciate the time that I've been spending with her. All right, boom. Like this is even better, even on the daily. All right, boom. I almost had that lined up. Boom. So all right, now you can see we had our nice little 100% retrace, you know, and then it's working its way back up. Then we had an 88.6. We know these PRZ zones, this level of support is solid. Now we can have a nice random line, you know, right here. Get the little average where price found support. See that? Boom. That's our triangle, our solid triangle. Okay? Boom. We have our support here, our resistance here. Either resistance is going to hold true and is going to continue to go down, or we're going to see this nice continuation. 88.6, we know is a slow push. 100% retrace, we know is a slow push, which means the market is going to give us opportunities on lower time frames, you know, such as the H1 in the 30 minutes to find possible entries, You see that? A nice little double bottom, break of structure right here, which gives us, other opportunities within this push to start looking to buy in on on the lower highs. We're looking for entries on lower highs. If you understand the term, those are how you would stack your trades during every little push. We have this right here, which is that level of resistance on this right here with a weekly level of resistance, which is all good. You know what I mean? We're just projecting. These are my projection. I could be wrong. You know what I mean? If you're not a trader, you don't know what I'm talking about, don't take my signals. If you know what I'm talking about and you feel comfortable with what I'm talking about, go ahead and take my signals. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to have more videos coming, but this is just me getting back into the groove. Btcusd. Free sig, free sig. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment. For sure. I love feedback because, I'm just working on building. Don't forget, we catching pips, not feelings. See you on the next video.